Hello everyone! Today I have this adorable magnetic holder for your fruit, vegetables, for some drinks. You can also use it not only on fridge, you can use it on your dishwasher machine or just drying machine. To put some laundry stuff, you can use it in the bathroom. It has a magnetic on this side, but also you can screw it on the wall or something like that. It has a beautiful wooden top. You can put some decorative stuff or some your stuff. It's very simple of installation. It has four hooks which you can put some towels, some kitchen stuff. It has two separate shelves for some fruit, vegetables, or just wherever you want. It's made with a high quality material. It looks durable, it's compact, it not take too much space. I think it's a must have in every kitchen, and I'm highly recommend this. See you, I like it.